Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you a LEET-CODE problem, Excel sheet column title problem. This is a very popular problem. So you can see the example test cases. Now I will describe it to you guys. So first, let's take paint for explanation. So let's suppose we take 701. Okay. If you take 701 and you just mod it by 26, you will get 25. 25 is equivalent to which character in alphabets? It's Y. Okay. After that 701, if you subtract by 25, you will get 676. And when you divide by 676, 26, you get 26, which is equivalent to Z, right? Okay, let's take another example. Like you take 28, so you just mod by 26, you get 2, and you subtract 2, you get 26. When you 26 divided by 26 is equal to 1. So 2 is corresponds to B and 1 is corresponds to A. So it should print AB. Similarly, this one should be ZY, right? So this is the example, and let me show you the solution, which is a very easy solution with 100% beaten user solution. As you can see, first the column number is taken, and I'm here taking a character size array, and after that, if the column number is greater than 0, then I'm just doing one biased indexing, because sometimes can be generated 0, so it won't be 0, as it should be greater than 0. So when it is 1, it should correspond to A, right? So when it is 1, it should correspond to A. So that's why I am just subtracting by 1 minus 1 will be 0, and after that you can just simply plus A to get the first character. So it will be like this, and it will be A. So this is called one biased indexing. So that's why every time I'm just subtracting by 1 so that I can get the range 0 to 25, and I can just simply plus A to get the exact character. Like suppose if I get 5, then 5 should print E, right? 5 should print E. So that I'm just subtracting minus 1 so that it will be 4, and when you just uh, do A plus 4, you will get E. So this is the idea or analogy to solve the problem. So that's why I'm just subtracting here. And every time I am just storing a character, and after that the index will be updated. So when first time you just mod by 26, you will get uh, like the first one was 28 and mod by 26 will get 2. So 2 plus a, it it won't make 2 plus a, it will make 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and after that a plus 1 equal to b. So it should store b here. And once after that b is stored, and after that it will just subtract by 26, and what will happen, it will just let me show you. So it will just get 1, and 1 is equivalent to a, right? And how it will print a, here I will get 1 point something, which will bring only 1 as it is an integer. And when 1 is greater than 0, after that 1 will subtract by 1 and will become 0, and 0 plus a will become a. So this is the solution idea. When after storing the character, I'm just taking a null string, terminating string, and after that I am taking another array to reverse the string and store it to my new array. So I'm just initializing it from j to I minus 1 and k to 0. So I minus 1, why? Because I'm just increasing the value, so the last value will be null, so I don't want to store it. I want to store it from j. That's why I'm just subtracting, and this will be the last index before the null terminating string, and it will store to the first index. And also every time I will just minus 1 by 1 till it is equal or greater than 0, it will run. And once it finish, I also store a terminating string here as well. It's not needed, but I'm just storing it here. And after that I'm just returning y because the function needs string, and character size array is called a string. So this is the solution, and let me show you. As you can see that it's it beats 100% user. So uh thanks for watching my solution, and thank you. Bye bye.